Good day, traders. This is Jason from Sureshot FX. Today, I have another exciting forecast for you as we focus on the gold pair and look ahead to the upcoming week. But first, let's quickly recap what happened last week to better understand what's coming next in the gold market. We'll start our analysis with the last week market structure. If we look at last week's market structure, we saw that market started with a week with a bullish movement that took out the previous week's liquidity point, and after that there was a lower time frame like M15 change of character at this point, and there was a beautiful entry opportunity that you could have hold for the rest of the week. So after the liquidity sweep, we saw that market continue its bearish momentum, creating lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, lower lows and lower highs. But the later part of the week, with a high impact news release, market changed its character from bearish to bullish. As you can see, market changed its character here at this point. And after that, market heavily pushed upwards, showing strong momentum in the market. And if we look at higher time frame like daily, then we can see that there was a change of character at this point. And this was probably a pullback of this bullish move. And if we look at 4-hour time frame, we also can see that there was a change of character at this point. So what are we expecting from gold market this week? As this is Monday, we are expecting a pullback to this order block or this 30% retracement. But what are we noticing? That market already started to go upwards like this. So if market breaks this swing high, so that will be our break of structure. And after that, we will look for the zone that broke this structure. For example, let's say this zone broke the structure, then we will look for long setups from this point of interest. And we will continue to look for long setups. Now, this also might happen that after taking out this liquidity, market may use this as inducement and give us a reaction from this order block or even this order block. Whatever the case, just always remember to enter the trade with lower time frame confirmations. So let's summarize our gold bias for the upcoming week. Gold's bias is potentially bullish this week. Last week, we saw a drop in the first couple of days, and then gold pulled up heavily, showing buyer's momentum in the market. So if you are looking for long setups, wait for Monday pullback or a regular pullback after this break of structure, and then enter with lower time frame confirmations. Based on current technical standpoint, I believe that gold will also continue its bullish momentum this week. Let's see how the market unfolds this week. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, forex trading carries risks, so staying informed and managing your risks wisely is a key. That wraps up our gold forecast for the upcoming week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshot FX for more valuable forex insights. Wishing you all sensible trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.